Hi friends, today we talk about the swastika and sum. Today we solve a new problem in which we use for loop. Only using for loop, we add we have to find two things. First, read the problem descriptions. You are given a 2D array, okay, with n rows and m columns, where n and m are always odd. Remember, guys, n and m, that means the matrix is always odd. The number of row and columns will be always odd. And there are two different parts present in 2D array. And the sum of elements of the first part is referred as sum1 and the other is referred as sum2. Okay, guys, in this problem description, there is referred as two parts named as swastika. The first part is sum1 equals to this location symbol. Okay, we have to traverse like this from upper to the middle row. Always there is always a odd number of times row present. Okay, always 3 5 7. Here there are 5 rows present. So, okay, so the middle row, always the middle row, from the zeroth element, from the zeroth index, 0 0 index, so till middle middle row. Okay, we have to traverse like this, and then we have to traverse until the last column. Okay, and from then we have to traverse from up to down. Okay, this is the sum one, and sum two is, guys, sum two referred as this. Sum two is like this, starting from 3 4 5, like this, traverse like this, and then from that last row, from last row, it is starting in last row, zeroth element, last row, and what is the index, guys? N0. From this till the middle column, till the middle column, not more than the middle column, till middle column, and then go above, and then go right to the last item of the column. Okay, this is the sum one and sum two. You have to find the absolute difference between sum one and sum two. Okay, guys. So we have 2D array, n row m column, n and m are always row, odd, and we have to find sum one and sum two, the absolute difference between sum one and sum two. Okay, so guys, let's focus here. Now, when we traverse on this location location symbol, okay, guys, when we traverse, so how can we calculate like this? We have to traverse, traverse it until the 2. Okay, until the 2, that is middle row. So we have to traverse 0 to n by 2. N rows, guys, 5 rows. 5 by 2, 2.5. 5 by 2, 2.5, and this is 0 1 2. Okay, 2.5, this is not considered. You can write math.floor, but no need here write math.floor. Only 0 till less than n by 2. Okay, because n by 2 is what? N by 2 is 2.5. N by 2 is 2.5. We have to traverse only 0 to 2, 0 1 2. Okay, and then what we have to do, guys, from here, because we covered this element in this traversing 0 to less than n by 2. Okay, now we have to traverse from here till the last column. So how can we traverse? So let's see here, guys. When we, this is the first traverse. Okay, this is the first. So when we go from up to down, then we use 0, I equal to 0 till n by 2, n by 2. Okay, and then what we have to add, met I 0, because we have to add column now. We have to add column, so we have to change the value of this, the first, because this is, if this is 0 0 1 1 0 1 2, like that, changing 0 1 2 0 1 2, and then 0 0 1 2. Okay, so we have to traverse from top to bottom, top to middle, top to middle, 0 less than n by 2. And for this section, for this section. We cover this element in this traverse. Okay. Now we have to traverse from here, from 3 to till 1. Okay. So we use for loop from 1 to 1 less than m. 1, why? Because the index of this element, what is this? 0 1 2 2 1. What is the index? 2 1. We covered this element in this traverse, so now we traverse from here. So I equal to 1 less than m. Here there are 5 columns, so less than 5. 0 1 2 3 4. So we have to traverse until the 4. Okay. Understand why we wrote here 1? Understand? No. Now guys, we have to traverse from here to here. Here to here we covered this element, we covered 1 in the second traversal, and now we have to cover this element 4 and 2 except the 1. Okay, because we already covered this. So how can we do this? Firstly, we can calculate this row, math dot floor n by 2, because 5 by 2 2.5. Okay, and method dot floor, choose the less value 2. Okay, 2. So 2 plus 1 3. 0 1 2 3. If we want to reach here, because we want to add next from the middle row. Okay, so we have to add from here. So method dot floor n by 2 plus 1 till n, till last row. Okay, so method dot floor n by 2 plus 1. Why plus 1? Because method dot floor n by 2 is this middle row. Okay, plus 1 plus 1 shows from, starts from here. Okay, starts from 4, and then till last row, till less than n. And what we have to do, when we traverse like up to down, down to up, then we have to change the first. Okay, n by 2 I, the first, we have to change the first. In this first traversal, we have to change, what is the value? We have to change row. We have to change row. The column is remains the same. We have to change row. And in the third traversal, we have to change row. So on first and third, we have to change row. So value of row is dynamic according to the for loop. Value of row is dynamic according to the for loop. And in this middle row, we have to n by 2 I. We have to change always this. Okay, method dot floor n by 2. What is the value of method dot floor n by 2? 2. Okay, 2. 2 and 1. I is starting, in starting I is 1. So 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1 3. From 3 till last. And then method dot floor n by 2 plus 1 till n. Okay, understand? I hope, I think you understand how to calculate this for the location symbol. Okay, someone, you understand someone very well. Now we have to calculate sum 2. Okay, we have to calculate sum 2, guys. We have to firstly traverse from here. Okay, 3 4 5 2 4 1 3 4 5. Okay, so how to deal with this? How to deal with this? You can observe, no? We have to traverse in the last row. In the last row, always n and the value of row and column are odd. Okay, so we have to traverse from the last row from 0th element till what? Till the middle column. Till the middle column, there are 5 columns. Till middle column. Okay, so I starts from 0 till middle. Math dot floor m by 2. What is the value of m by 2? 2. 0 1 2. And less than equal. Less than equal means 0 1 2 is value. We have to cover this value. Okay, from 0, this is 0. Here represents 0. zeros column 1 2 3 4, and this is fourth row. Okay, so it starts from 0 till m by 2, method dot floor m by 2. Why we don't use here seal value, guys? Because the seal value is 3, so it goes till here. So to avoid these mistakes, we use floor value to reach only here. And now, guys, now we have to traverse from here, from 2 to till 3. Okay, from 2 to 3. So how can we deal with that? So when we wrote some value like it starts from like suppose we have to traverse this element, we have to traverse rows till the last. Okay, so we wrote I equal to 0 and I equal to n minus 1. This is n minus 1, I equal to n minus 1. We always write that I less than n. Less than n means the value of n is 5. The value of n is 5, and this shows the index 4, 0 1 2 3 4. This index is 4. Okay, so we wrote I less than n or I less than equal to n minus 1. So what is the index? I less than n minus 2, n minus 2. Okay, I equal to n minus 2 because, guys, this is n minus 1, n minus 1 rows. And after that, this is n minus 2. So we starts from n minus 2. We starts from next, just apart from here, n minus 2 till 0, 0th row, till 0th row. Okay, we cover 0th row, I equal to 0, I greater than equal to 0. And what we have to do? We have to traverse, we have to change what? When we traverse, then what values are changes? Row values are changes. Row values are changes. So I takes places here on the value of row. Okay, and why we wrote here method dot floor m by 2? So why we method dot floor m by 2? This is because we want middle, we want middle column. Okay, and this is the last traverse for sum 2. We traverse from 0 till method dot floor m by 2, n minus 2 to till 0. Now guys, from here 4 we have to cover 5. Okay, 4 to 5. So this value, if we have to show this value, then how can we show? Method dot floor m by 2, right? 0 method dot floor m by 2. So 0 and method dot floor m by 2 is 2, 0 2, this value. Now method dot floor m by 2 is this, method dot floor m by 2 plus 1 is this, right? And we have to start from here. So method dot from method dot floor m by 2 to till last column. Okay, method dot floor m by 2 plus 1 to till last column. So let's go to the replit to show how it works, how to code. Okay, so here I created a function. Which calculate swastika sum. Okay, and here the size is 3. The value of row is 3, and the value of column m represents 5, and the value of matrix, this is 3 by 5 matrix. Okay, 3 by 5 matrix. And we declare a variable sum1 equal to 0 and sum2 equal to 0. What is sum1, guys? Sum1 is from here, here. Okay, top to middle row, top to middle row, and from this to traverse last item, and from last we have to traverse top to bottom. Okay, so let's code with me. For let I equals to 0, I less than n by 2, I plus plus. Okay, Using of that, we traverse 0 to the middle row. Okay, and now someone plus equal to mat I and 0. Why we wrote here I and 0, guys? Understand, I we have to traverse this column, this column. So the value changes. Suppose in starting this is 0, so 0 0 0 0 means this 1. No, I increases. I increases by 1. I increase. The value of I will be 1. So 1 0. 1 0 is this. Okay. And so on. Okay. Now the value is 2. And 2 is not following this condition. Why? Because the value of n is 3. 3 by 2, 1.5. And 2 is greater than this. So this condition fell. Okay. Now guys, we have to traverse from here till here, right? So we use another for loop for let I equals to from 1, guys. Why from 1? Why from 1? Because we covered this element. Now we have to cover from here. Okay, so I equals to 1, I less than m, I plus plus. Okay, why I less than m? Because we have to traverse from here to last, right? Now someone plus equal to mat I and m minus 1. Why we wrote here I m minus 1? Guys, here you can see the row is always same. Row is always same. And the column changes. Column changes. No, yeah, guys. This is here I from 1 till less than n. Now, what is the value of I? Suppose I starts from 1, guys. I starts from 1. I equals to 1. And what is m minus 1? Value of m is 5. M minus 1 is 4. So 1 4 1 4 0 1 2 3 4 1 4. This element, guys. No, this element. No, I equals to 2. I equals to 2. So 2 4 2 4 2 4. This element will be covered. Let's do here, guys. From 1 to m. Okay, from 1 till m. And here we mistake. What we mistake here? What we have to do? Math dot floor n by 2 and I. Here, guys, why n by 2? Because method dot floor n by 2 is the middle section, and in the middle section always the value of row is same, right? The value for row is always same. So what is the value of row? 3 by 2 1. The value for row is 1. So method dot floor 3 by 2 1. 1 is always fixed. The value changes is only the indexes, only the element. So we changes this value only the column, right? Only the column. When we have to changes the value of for row, then we wrote I in the first. And when we have to changes the column, then we have to I on the second place, right? In the first traversal we have to go 1 6, right? 1 6, like here. Like here, guys, from top to bottom, 0 to n by 2, 1 till m. Now we have to change the value of column. Column, row is always same. Okay, guys. Now for this, for the last, we reach till here. Now we have to find the sum for this also, 15 also, because now we have to traverse from 10 to bottom, right? So what we have to do, again use for loop, I equals to math dot floor n by 2 and plus 1. See guys, n math dot floor n by 2 plus 1. Now we have to calculate from after this, after the middle row, after the middle row guys. So after the middle row, middle row, the middle row is method dot floor n by 2, and after the middle row, that's why we wrote method dot floor n by 2 plus 1, because we have to calculate after the middle row guys, after the middle row, this middle row, after the middle row, this method dot floor n by 2 plus 1, that's why we write it. Okay, and then we have to go till last row, and I plus plus, and someone plus equals to mat I and m minus 1. Why we wrote mat I? Now in this we have to change the value of column, value of row, we have to change the value of row. The column is always same, the column is always same, that is the last column, that's why we write here m minus 1, but value of row is always changed, that's why I change, I takes first place. Now guys, we can calculate, we can console the value of someone, and let's see. Sum is not defined. Oh ho ho ho. We mistake here guys, sorry for that. Yeah, 56. If we calculate 1 6 7 7 7 14 14 8 22 22 9 31 31 10 41 41 plus 15 56, right? We calculate the first part, and now guys, now we have to calculate sum 2, sum 2. And how we sum 2 calculate, how can we calculate sum 2? Sum 2 is this, right? The arrow part. Sum 2 is this, the arrow part. And how sum 2 works guys, it starts from the 0. Okay, it starts from the 0 till math dot floor m by 2. It starts from 0, it's 0 index 0 row, it starts from 0th row, it starts the sum 2 guys, sum 2 starts from the 0th row, 0th column, 0th column middle till middle column, 0th column till middle column. So now for calculating sum 2, for let I equals to 0, I less than equal to math dot floor m by 2 and then I plus plus. Here guys, we traverse from 0 to till middle column, to till middle column in the last row guys, this is in the last row. So sum 2 plus equal to mat n minus 1 last row and I. See here guys, from the last row, okay, from the last row, 0 column, from 0 column to middle, 0 column to middle. So 0 till middle and n minus 1 last row, this is the value of row, and we have to change the value of column, right? Always column changes, always column changes. This is zeroth column, this is first column, second column, always column changes, but the row still remains the same. That's why n-1 takes place here at the first position. Okay, now guys, we have to traverse from here. We calculate 3 4 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now we have to calculate 2 4 1 3. Okay, 2 4 1 3. So this is n-2, guys. This is n-2 because this is n-1 rows. N-1 total there are 5 rows. Total there are 5 rows. So 0 1 2 3 4. 4 means n-1. N-1 4. So what is the value of this row? N-2. So we have to traverse n-2 to till 0. N-2 to till 0. For let I equals to n-2, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and sum 2 equal to what? Math I and math dot floor m by 2. Let's see here, guys. I and math dot floor m by 2. We changes always the rows. We changes always rows. Always row changes, guys. Always rows. So I takes first place. Okay, and the value of column will be the middle. Always will be the middle. The value of column always will be the middle. So method dot flow m by 2, right? Now we have to traverse from here 0th to m minus 1, method dot floor m by 2, and n minus 2 to till 0. And now guys, we have to traverse from here method dot floor m by 2 plus 1, from here till last column, from here to till last column. So for let I equals to math dot floor m by 2 plus 1, I less than m, I plus plus. Okay, and sum 2 plus equals to math 0 I. Why we wrote like this, guys? Because the row is fixed. Row is fixed, always 0th row, the last row and the 0th row, and the middle column, so 0th row and always changes what? Column. So I takes places at the place of column, right? Now you can calculate. We have to console sum 2. Okay, let's see what's the result. 56. Let's cross check here. We have to traverse from here to till middle, till middle. So what is the value of this? 39 and this 48 for 52, 557. No. I did mistake, guys. 5 4 9 9 9 18 18 3 21 21 10 31 31, and then 33 43 44 55. Guys, let's check here. Console.log 11 plus 12 13. Oh, sorry guys, I operated in this, but we have to till middle, guys. We have to till middle. Okay, now 9 4 5 9 4, 5. And let's check the sum. Oh. Yep, guys. 54, but here 56. What's happened, guys? Till middle, till middle, 11, 12, 13. Yes. Then 8. Yep. 8, 3, 4, 5. Here we mistake. 8, 3, 4, 5. Now check. 56. Right? All three are 56. This is the value of this, the sum 2, and sum 1, sum 2. And what we have to do, guys? If we have to find the value of sum 1 and sum 2, the absolute difference of sum 1 and sum 2, right? So how we calculate the absolute value of sum 1 and sum 2? So let's declare a variable result equal to sum 1 minus sum 2. Okay, and check if result is less than 0. That means if the value is negative, then what? Then console.log -1 multiply result. Okay, and else if the value is positive, then console.log as it is result. Okay, let's run here. Yep, 0. Okay, the value is 0 because both sum 1 and sum 2 both are 56, right? Sum 1 and sum 2 both are 56. Let's comment this, and you can understand in much better way. Someone is someone, and the value of sum 2 is let's run. Yeah, the value of sum 1 is 56 and the value of sum 2 is also 56 and the resultant value is 0. Okay, I hope you understand this, guys, very well. If you still have any problem in this question, you can comment. Okay, I will reply as soon as possible. In this question, always there are only some points to focus out. Okay, we have to traverse from here to here and here, 0 till the middle row. How to calculate middle row, and from this element 1 till m, we have to traverse here, and from this 0 column we have to traverse middle column. In this question only the agenda always playing around the column, how to calculate middle column, how to calculate middle row. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.